few parts, huh? All right. All the stuff came in today, right after I posted a video of the bypass valve, which is right here, but no need to see that. You guys already saw that, so we'll put this away. All right, so here we are. We got quite a big shipment today. The first part that we have here is gonna be obvious. You guys know what this is. This is the Koyo Radiator. Now, first of all, before we unbox any of this, I just wanna say a big thanks to Yo at Subispeed for getting this out to me very, very quick. I could have swore I just ordered this not too long ago. Next thing you know, it is here. Also, big thanks to Perrin for supplying some parts. Big thanks to them. They've always been a long time supporter of the channel. So yeah, here we go. So without further ado, we're gonna get into these boxes and show you exactly what I got. Now keep in mind, there's still more parts coming. This is not all of it. So there were a bunch of different radiators. Actually, there was a few different radiators that are out on the market that work for this platform. This just happened to be the one that a lot of people recommended, so I just went ahead and ordered it. So this is about 300 bucks. I don't know, retail if you guys were to find that online. This is a part number. I don't know if you guys can see, so you guys will be able to order the same one I can, or I have. But yeah, let's just get this out the box. It's just really a radiator, so nothing too big, but hopefully this is the right one. I know a lot of the track guys always recommend getting an upgraded radiator. Well, we're gonna be also installing an oil cooler. So, oh wow, this is nice. We got some parts right here. That's awesome. Okay. Looks nice and clean. I mean, it's just a radiator, really not much to see. So there you go, of course. Like I said, I got this from Subispeed, super fast shipping, can't complain. Oh, don't want it to fall. But yeah, there it is, Koyo Radiator. It's gonna be going on the car. So no real big particular reason why I went with this radiator over the other ones. Like I said earlier, a lot of you guys recommended this one, so I just went ahead and ordered this one. I know there are others out there, but you know, hopefully this fits well. That's just something that I'm worried about. I'm pretty sure any of the other radiators that are on the market will do just fine. One thing I forgot to order was upgrade my radiator hoses. That's something that I should have bought that I just thought of right now. Dang. All right, this box here is coming from, Perrin. Let's see here, oh, looks like we got the standard 2.4-inch turbo inlet. That is black. Of course, you guys have seen all that. Let me get you guys closer. But yeah, this is pretty much the tried and true turbo inlet that pretty much a lot of you guys run, and I'll show you why. This is, there you go. This is pretty much a nice construction which won't collapse on you when it goes into high boost. But yeah, standard black edition standard black edition turbo inlet. Can't go wrong with that. I don't know, we might run this, we might not, depending on the turbo, because this is a 2.4 inch. The other optional turbo that we're trying to get has a 3.4 inch or I think it's a 3 or 3.4 inch turbo inlet. Also, we have some oil lines. Now these oil lines are we're gonna be converting my old WRX oil cooler over to the STI. So they provided some oil lines and some other stuff. Let's see here. Oh, this is the fuel stuff. So here it is. Now, Perrin provided a bunch of fuel upgrades, you know, for the whole project. Now, to be honest with you, I'm grateful for Perrin, but I don't think it's gonna be compatible with the STI, only due to the flex fuel system. But they did send over their adjustable fuel pressure regulator kit. Like I said, unfortunately, we already have the IAG fuel lines, their whole kit already on order. I'm not sure if it's their standard kit or their PFTE kit, but we'll show you what we got in the box anyways. So here it is. This is their fuel pressure regulator. I know a lot of people run this pressure regulator. Like I said, we're going to be running an Aeromotive, which comes in the IAG fuel kit. So there is that. Let's see here. And the box says, oh, this is their top feed fuel rails. So top feed fuel rail kit for the 2018 Up STI. This is a really nice kit anyways. I think these are the covers for the lines. We'll show you exactly what's in the box. Let's see, we got our hardware kit. Oh, cool. They give you some nice Olicor clamps, which is cool. So very nice. And I think this is the distribution thingamabobber. Yeah, you got your feed and return. And these are the Perrin fuel rails. It's cool, they got phenolic spacers at the bottom, which is awesome. Like I said, we have options as far as fuel goes. If the IG kit doesn't work out, then we'll go ahead and use this. Like I said, just different options that we have. So I'm not complaining about that at all. Here we go. Next up on the list. Oh, this is the intake. So this will not be going on the car. Jeff was just over here not too long ago, and we took a quick peek at this box. Unfortunately, they mistaken. They thought I had a WRX, and they sent over an intake, which unfortunately can't go on the car, but we'll show you guys anyways what we got. So this is their brand new, I don't know if it's released yet, neon yellow intake for the FA20 WRX, which is a nice sweet piece. It's the same as their other kits, but this one is just neon yellow. Of course, neon yellow always looks sweet in the engine bay. Let me just take this out the box. Not touched this yet. Pretty sweet. It's nice. I dig it. Well, we could make it. No, it won't fit the STI. Not at all. But yeah, I'm gonna put this away. Unfortunately, we can't use it. Probably send it back. I feel bad because they're always so supportive. Oh, check this out. They have a heat shield too. Comes with it, which is awesome. All right, this one's pretty heavy. So this one is coming from Grimmspeed, something that I've been wanting for a long time now. And of course, this is pretty much the standard issue part from Grimmspeed for the STI. So, I mean, a lot of you guys already have this, so no need to go over why I bought this and why you should get it. I am still waiting on that one part, one expensive part. So, fresh out of the box for you guys, packaged by AVI. All right, as you guys can see here, this is the Grimmspeed up pipe. Yes, this thing is nice and hefty. This thing is beefy. This is the coated version, of course. Of course, you know, if there's an option to go with a coated version, you know I'm gonna go with a coated version. It's pretty much a no-brainer. And of course, this is the dump tube. No need to take that out the box. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what the dump tube looks like. But you know what, we'll take it out. Take out the packaging anyways. Why not? And one of the reasons why I really wanted this, I've been needing this actually, not just wanting it. The reason is my stock up pipe, the heat shield cracked, and I had to put a hose clamp around it. It was causing a whole bunch of unnecessary knock. So there it is. There is the dump tube for the up pipe. So since we have an up pipe, obviously you guys know what's coming next. Of course, Grimmspeed's always gonna have awesome hardware. Unfortunately, I don't see any gaskets. I don't think this comes standard with gaskets. Oh, yes, it does. At the bottom. So check this out. I ordered gaskets, and I wasn't aware that this comes with gaskets. That's cool. Awesome. So Grimmspeed, thank you very much. Very much appreciated. This is gonna be the last part if that other part doesn't get here. So, of course, you guys saw me unbox an up pipe, so it's only obvious what this one is. All right, can you guys guess? I don't know, there's always something therapeutic about receiving car parts and then unboxing them. What we have here, I keep looking behind me, waiting for that UPS truck to come. This is the Tial 44mm wastegate. Now, kind of messed up. This is gonna work just fine. I originally wanted the 38mm wastegate. That's what Josh recommended, but I already ordered the 44mm, which is gonna be just fine. So yes, standard wastegate from Tial. I think you guys have already seen us install this on Casey's car. We will be doing an in-depth install on how to install that the easy way. There's an easy way and a hard way. Of course, you have your standard springs. Anytime you are setting up your external wastegate, make sure you ask your tuner on which springs to install. But wait, there is more. So as I was wrapping up the video, the UPS guy showed up with 2 other parts. Like I said, there's still more on the way, but as you can see here, I got the Torque Solution air pump delete. That thing is going away, don't need it. So that is gonna be part of the list. Let me put that in the box. Where's my knife? Okay, new clutch is here. Which clutch did I get? Okay, you guys are seeing this the same time I am. So this is the part number for the clutch. SB, well, you guys can read that. So this is the ACT Extreme clutch. Oh yes. We are gonna need this in order to hold the whopping 350 horsepower that we're gonna make. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how much we're gonna make. But here it is. Yes, everything we need. Clutch alignment tool, get your pilot bearing. Let's see, release bearing, and the actual clutch itself. So ACT Extreme Performance Street Sprung Disc, it is. So you guys know what a clutch looks like. I'm not gonna take all this out of the box. But yes, it is here. The clutch is here so that we can hold a little bit of power. Not huge power, but enough power to make some sauce. Okay, so there it is. Parts are here. Some of them I am not going to use, but like I said, I'm still very grateful anyways for the support from Perrin, also from Subispeed, who got this out to me very, very quick. I'll have a link in the description of everything that I got down below, a direct link to each and every part that I got, not only right now, but also the rest of the parts that I'll be getting for the project. But yeah, anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Your guys' support really means a lot to me, and yeah, stay tuned for more. There's gonna be a lot to come. Anyways, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.